Welcome to Top Rated. Ten Best Ductless Air Conditioner of 2023. Top 1. 5-zone 9,000, 12,000, 12,000, 12,000, 18,000 British thermal units multi-zone ductless mini split air conditioner heat pump Wi-Fi ready full set with 25 feet installation kits. Enjoy a comfy home no matter the outside temperature. Heat, cool and dehumidify up to 2600 SF with our multi-zone mini split when outside temperatures are as low as -13 F. Save your money. A whisper-quiet ductless mini-split air conditioner uses very little electricity. No more power-guzzling starts and stops. Save up to 60% with this high-efficiency power miser. Total peace of mind. You'll never, ever worry about an AC problem with our July 5th-year warranty, 30-day money-back guarantee, and US-based replacement parts and technical service. Lasts a long time. Cooper & Hunter cuts no corners with production quality. None. Your new mini-split air conditioner, heat pump, is built with the highest pro-grade components from top to bottom. What's included? You'll receive the outside compressor, which is already fully charged with refrigerant, 5 air handlers, 5 remotes, and 5 25-feet line sets electrical wiring. Top 2. Pioneer Air Conditioner WYSO 12G20 Wall Mount Ductless Inverter Plus Mini Split Heat Pump, 12,000 British Thermal Units -208 230 SV. Save money all year round with a highly efficient ductless mini split inverter plus heat pump system, ultra-silent and beautifully built, perfect for home or light commercial use. Use for both cooling and heating 12,000 British thermal units per hour with 20.5 SEER and 10 HSPF efficiency. Comes with every needed component in the box including an easy-install 16-feet copper piping kit, free tech support and a 5-year coverage on the parts and compressor. Pioneer newest WAYS series wall-mount mini-split ductless inverter air conditioning and heat pump system. Full system set, containing indoor section, outdoor section, remote controller and standard installation accessories. With the Pioneer ductless mini-split type air conditioning system, it is possible to heat or cool any contiguous area, quietly, effectively and efficiently. Pioneer brand WYS series, ductless split heat pump systems come in a range of capacities. From 9,000 British thermal units per hour to 36,000 British thermal units per hour. WAYS is an inverter system with variable speed compressor, providing very high efficiency levels. Included wireless remote digital controller allows the users easily select among the 4 operating modes: cooling, heating, dehumidification and ventilation. Top 3. Cooper & Hunter 5-zone, 9,000, 9,000, 12,000, 12,000, 12,000 British thermal units multi-zone ductless mini-split air conditioner heat pump full set with 25-feet installation kits. Cooper & Hunter high-efficiency 48,000 British thermal units multi-zone outdoor condenser 22.4 SEER, 230V, with 5 wall-mount air handlers 9,000 British thermal units, 9,000 British thermal units, 12,000 British thermal units, 12,000 British thermal units, and 12,000 British thermal units, Wi-Fi ready, additional adapter required but not included, ETL Intertech approved, AHRI certified, pre-charged with refrigerant and ready for installation, 25-feet copper line set, communication wires, and drainage extension included with your order. This is not DIY system and professional installation is required. Works for heating with ambient temperature up to -13 Fahrenheit degree. Whisper technology for quiet operation, great for bedrooms, additions, living rooms and commercial applications. You are well protected by a 7-year warranty on the compressor, a 5-year parts warranty and smart, US-based experienced technicians should you ever need assistance. Professional installation is required. Top 4. Discontinued by manufacturer, 4th general available, 24K British thermal unit 20 SEER MrCool DIY ductless heat pump split system 3rd generation, wall mounted. Product type, electronic component. Bundle cooling efficiency 19 SEER and above, easy die installation pre-charged R410A 25 feet quick connect line doesn't require special tools equipment or training, new SmartVec app Wi-Fi control, compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant. You can control your die anywhere with your Apple or Android smart device and an internet connection, designed to efficiently heat and cool a single 1,000 square feet room. Introducing the MrCool E-Star DIY 3rd Gen 24K British Thermal Unit 20 SEER Ductless Mini Split Heat Pump. These are ductless mini split heat pumps, with enhanced Wi-Fi engineered to make setup not only quick and easy, but the MrCool E-Star series is flexible enough to be installed virtually anywhere without requiring specialized tools or expensive equipment. Top 5. Cooper & Hunter 24,000 British Thermal Units, 230V, 17 SEER Ductless Mini Split AC Heating System Pre-Charged Inverter Heat Pump with 16 feet, Installation Kit. Cooper & Hunter Mia Series 24,000 British Thermal Units 2-ton 17 SEER Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner Heat Pump ETL Intertech Approved, AHRI, Certified Wi-Fi Ready. Additional USB adapter is required but NOT included, pre-charged with refrigerant. Works for heating with ambient temperature up to 5 Fahrenheit degree, ready for installation, 16 feet copper line set, communication wires, and a drainage extension are included with your order. Whisper technology for quiet operation, great for bedrooms, additions, living rooms and commercial applications. You are well protected by a limited 7-year warranty on the compressor, a 5-year parts warranty. Professional installation is required. Top 6. ROVSUN 9000 British Thermal Units Mini Split AC Heating System with Inverter, 19 SEER 115V Energy Saving Ductless Split System Air Conditioner, with pre-charged condenser, heat pump, remote control and installation kit. Fast cooling? 9000 British Thermal Unit Mini Split Air Conditioner with Inverter technology is perfect for cooling a room up to 450 square feet. Quickly cools down your rooms and spaces like bedrooms, living rooms, dens, offices or apartment. Energy saving? This 19 SEER, 115V/60 Hz, AHRI certified AC unit with a heat pump is featured high-quality compressor for more efficient cooling and longer working life. Higher SEER grade and eco-friendly design which leads you for money saving. Please confirm voltage before making purchase. Smart operation? Operating this mini split AC is an easy understanding and enjoyable cooling experience. 6188. We can set all functions on remote control, fan speed selection, sleep mode, 24-hour timer, ECO mode, turbo mode, and mute mode. Top 7. Cooper & Hunter Tri-3 Zone 9000 18,000 British Thermal Units Multi-Zone Ductless Mini Split Air Conditioner Heat Pump Full Set with 25 feet Installation Kits. Cooper & Hunter Sophia Series High Efficiency 3-Zone Ductless Mini Split Heat Pump System featuring 36,000 British Thermal Units Inverter Outdoor Condenser 22.5 SEER with 9,000 British Thermal Units, 9,000 British Thermal Units, and 18,000 British Thermal Units Wall Mount Air Handlers, uses 208-230V, ETL Intertech Approved, AHRI Certified, quiet operation, great for bedrooms, additions, living rooms and commercial applications. Works for heating with ambient temperature up to -13 Fahrenheit degree, includes 3 high-grade installation kits with 25 feet pre-flared and insulated copper line set, communication wires, small accessories and a drainage extension. You are well protected by a 7-year warranty on the compressor, a 5-year parts warranty and smart, US-based experienced technicians, should you ever need assistance. Professional installation is required. Top 8. Quad 4 Zone 9000 12,000 Ductless Heating and Cooling Mini Split Ductless Air Conditioner Heat Pump System with Installation Kit. Cooper & Hunter Sophia Series 36,000 British Thermal Units Multi-Zone Outdoor Condenser 22.5 SEER, 230V, with 4 Wall Mount Air Handlers 9,000 British Thermal Units, 12,000 British Thermal Units, 12,000 British Thermal Units, and 12,000 British thermal units, Wi-Fi ready, additional adapter required but not included, ETL Intertech approved, AHRI certified, pre-charged with refrigerant and ready for installation, 25 feet copper line set, communication wires, and drainage extension included with your order. This is not DIY system and professional installation is required. Works for heating with ambient temperature up to -13 Fahrenheit degree. Whisper technology for quiet operation, great for bedrooms, additions, living rooms and commercial applications. Top 9. Della 18,000 British thermal units Wi-Fi enabled mini split air conditioner and heater ductless inverter system, 17 SEER 208-230V energy efficient unit, with 1.5 ton heat pump, cools up to 650 square feet. This item is not for sale in California. Energy efficient cooling. This 18,000 British thermal units per hour, 17 SEER 208-230V, 9 HSPF, AHRI certified pre-charged air conditioner unit, features a ductless mini split inverter plus system with a heat pump and dehumidification. Ample coverage. This unit provides cooling and heating for up to 650 square feet and is able to work in environments as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Full installation kit included. Smart sensor. The unit will sense room temperature at the remote control, instead of at the indoor unit during cooling mode. It then adjusts airflow and temperature accordingly, resulting in the ultimate in personal comfort, control and energy saving. Top 10. Dual 2-zone, 18,000 ductless mini split ceiling cassette air conditioner heat pump multi-Sophia series. High efficiency 36,000 British thermal units inverter compressor 22.5 SEER dual, 2-zone ceiling cassette 18,000 British thermal units mini split air heat pump system, includes 25 feet installation kits with copper line set, accessories and communication wires, built-in water pump. Digital remote and a wired remote thermostat included. You are protected by a very long 7-year warranty on the compressor and a 5-year warranty on everything else. Quiet operation, great for bedrooms, additions, living rooms and commercial applications. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and subscribe our channel.